Liquidity pools help to facilitate trading on decentralized exchanges. They contain an equal balance of two or more tokens by dollar value. Permissionless incentives on Astroport allow anyone to incentivize liquidity pools with rewards to liquidity providers. This includes CFT20s deployed and minted on Asteroid protocol, then bridged to Neutron. Once your CFT20s are bridged from Cosmos Hub over to Neutron using the Asteroid bridge, users can provide liquidity on Astroport and offer permissionless incentives of CFT20s to liquidity providers or LPs. Let's explore how to offer CFT20s as incentives. Once on Astroport with a connected wallet, go to Pools, then Incentivize Pool. You can also select Create Pool to start a new liquidity pool. From here, search for an existing pool by entering your desired token's ticker symbol. Then choose the token you want to offer as an incentive and set the amount you'd like to allocate to the liquidity pool. Further define your incentives by choosing whether to have your permissionless incentives last for a minimum of 1 week up to 25 weeks. Along with the duration, users can choose to have their incentives be fixed, which distributes incentives linearly, or incentives can be set to decrease over time. Note, incentivizing pools requires users to pay a fee denominated in Astro. This is an activation fee that must be paid for the very first time any token is offered as permissionless incentives for any liquidity pool. For example, Roid's CFT20 has already been offered as an incentive, therefore, new contributors offering Roid's as an incentive will not have to pay this fee. Additionally, tokens created after the Asteroid bridge went live will have to be submitted through GitHub. If your token is not already supported on Astroport, you'll need to add it to the Astroport GitHub. A step-by-step guide for that process will be linked in the description of this video. If you're still having trouble adding support for your bridged CFT20 tokens on Astroport, feel free to reach out to the team in the Asteroids Developers Telegram group. Select Incentivize, approve the transaction in your wallet, and await confirmation. You have successfully offered incentives to your selected liquidity pool on Astroport. Once liquidity is established, your tokens will be viewable in the incentives area as well as the reward center. Your token will then have Astroport price charts and be ready to be submitted for listing on sites like CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. This is how to incentivize liquidity pools with CFT20s in a permissionless way on Astroport.